Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a Grove Collaborative unboxing. So this is my first time ordering from them, as I'm sure all of you hear all the time watching other YouTubers. They are constantly promoting these products, telling you like, hey, use my link in the description. Get, all these free products on your first like $20 purchase, and it's like, do I want to spend that much? Well, I decided to. So I got, I think it was like $21 worth of like my own choice products, and then I also got the like free items that were being promoted with the person's like discount code that I followed, if that makes sense. So I have the box here. I already have a cat trying to get into it, but I'm just going to film kind of my first reaction to the products, just based on like the amount that's in the bottle, the smell and stuff, if I think they're worth the hype, if I think they're worth, keeping the subscription and actually buying more. And then of course I will start using them this coming week, and then maybe do like a follow-up video, just like, hey, was it worth it? Was it not? Was this cleaner any better than my Mr. Clean bleach solution? I guess I'll find out. So let's get into it. Alright, so I have my box right here. It seems almost small for what I ordered, but let's see. So far so good. They wrote me a little handwritten thank you. Also has the packing slip of everything that should be in the bags. So we'll see. So first, this is one of the free items. Cat. So first is one of the free items. It is the walnut scrubbers. These I have heard really great things about, so I am excited to try these on my dishes for the next few days. They also included a, I don't even know what this is. Oh, I guess just a little introduction from my Grove guide. That's cute. Packing stuff. So this is one of the items I picked. I went with their loofah. I was in need of a new loofah. And I really haven't heard a lot about Grove's more like personal care items. Mostly they're cleaners, so if this is worth the money, I will let you know. I mean, it already smells really clean, so to be honest, I'm excited, and this is going in the shower after this video. Next is the famous scrubber with the replaceable heads. You just press that, and I guess it like pops up, so you can just keep replacing the head of the brush instead of like the whole thing. The wood handle seems really nice, to be honest. Like, this is probably some good quality stuff. So definitely trying this out tonight as well. This is my stone tray. This was one of the free items as well. I think this one wasn't part of the package, but I got it as like a bonus for hitting like the sites minimum, I believe. So here it is. Pretty nice. The other non-cleaner product. Oh, Oh wow. They like taped this stuff up. It's bubble wrapped. So I got a thing of baking soda. I don't know. I saw it on the site and I like kind of thought it was funny that they were selling it. Hopefully it'll be worth it as well. Alright, so the first cleaner is the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. And I did get the honeysuckle. I've heard phenomenal things about this scent, so I am hoping and praying that this stuff truly is amazing. Oh my lord. Okay, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful scent. If it cleans as well as my current cleaner, I will probably stay a member just to repurchase this. Now, size-wise, something I was skeptical about. This is only 16 ounces. And I believe the Mrs. Meyer's are the ones that run closer to like $4 or $5. I could be wrong. Unfortunately, this doesn't say prices on it. But I don't know. I am excited. This is probably going to be tried out tonight as well. Now this is part of the deal. If you guys watch Love Meg as well, she is a huge fan of the Caldrea products on Grove. So she had a special deal with them where she was giving away, I think it was just the dish soap and the countertop spray. And then it also included like the scrubber brush and the like sponges and stuff. So I got the spray in the Pear Blossom Agave. It's nice. It almost, I don't know if this is even a thing, but it almost reminds me of like women's perfume in the like late 90s, early 2000s. Like it's that like the wannabe floral but like clean sweet scent. I don't know. It's kind of enticing. This is also a small 16-ounce bottle, and I believe the Caldrea products actually were like in the $5 or $6 range. So I really don't know if this is something I would repurchase. But I guess depending on, you know, how it works, if it's a scent that actually lasts like all through the night, like I clean at night and I wake up in the morning and it's still like, whoa, clean, maybe I'll keep it. I guess not keep it, I'm gonna keep it, but repurchase it. Next, this is one of the ones I chose. This is just the Method Anti-Back Bathroom Cleaner. So I am excited to try out something a little bit better. And this is the Anti-Back in the Spearmint scent. Which I don't know if I knew this was spearmint when I bought it. I think I just kind of saw it and was like, ooh, blue. This should be clean smelling. So spearmint's going to be interesting. This was also another Method product. This is the Anti-Back Toilet Cleaner. I normally just use the, you know, I think it's Clorox as well, the thing that you like, you know, squeeze, yeah. I know the names of products. yeah, just the Clorox like toilet bowl cleaner, you know, you use your little scrub brush. This actually looks like it might be worth the money. Like this is a pretty big product. It's 24 ounces. And I feel like this probably is going to rival the Clorox cleaner, but not smell like bleach, because this is spearmint scent as well, which also had no idea. Alright, so this one was a my purchase as well to get to that $20. So this is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I haven't had a degreaser. I haven't had a need for it. That might be naive sounding, but I've never used a degreaser on like my oven, toaster oven, stovetop. But I have noticed having a gas range again that I am starting to get those kind of bad like stuck on grease marks around the burner. So I am hoping this is going to help take those off, because we are renting this place along with like the, you know, refrigerator and the stove in it. So hopefully this is going to clean that really well, and then clean the inside of the oven well too when we leave. But I'm a pretty clean cook when it comes to the oven portion, so I'm not too worried about cleaning that guy. Alright, last but not least is the Caldrea soap. The dish soap. I did this one in Tangelo Palm Fron. I'm low-key second-guessing this scent. Because now that I say it aloud, it sounds kind of weird. Let's smell test. Oh, God, there we go. Ooh. No, this is nice. Okay. So this has a scent memory too. This is like, what was it? It was some sort of shampoo that I used to use in high school. Like, that is what this scent reminds me of, like Redken. I think it was the Redken in the brown bottle. The like deep conditioning, the burnt hair one. That is what this smells like. So this is actually pretty nice. Also kind of small. I mean, 16 ounces as well, when you can get, you know, like 20 ounces. Probably even more. I should go look at my soap, but I think I got like a 20 plus ounce bottle of Dawn for like $3. And I think the Caldrea soap was probably around like $5. So we'll see. Smells good though. You know, I'll probably get a few good smelling dishes out of this. But that is everything for my Grove Collaborative unboxing. All that's left is some papers. But anyways, I'm excited. I'm pretty excited. So all of this, since the shipping was free as well, only cost me like $21. So I mean, if you are in need of some products and you haven't, maybe take this opportunity to go and click on one of those links and actually try them, because I mean, hey, free stuff, plus you can buy the other stuff that you know you'll like and need. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for my review in like a week. Just kind of letting you know whether or not I think use wise. These products are worth the hype and worth the price. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this and the other fun content that I post. Hope you guys have a good day or night. Bye guys.